How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. So what we're going to be talking about in this video is 7 different websites that could potentially allow you to earn up to $100 every single day. And I know a lot of people are interested in making money online and they're looking for the website out there that's going to show them all of the tricks and tools that they need. And while these methods do work for some people, there is always going to be some amount of work involved in any method for making legitimate money in any way, whether it's online or whether it's starting your own business. And so I just want to preface this by saying that there is no free lunch out there. There's nothing that you're going to be able to set up overnight that's going to start earning you $100 per day. And if you're looking for that, you are not going to find that in this video. But that being said, I can promise you that we are not going to be talking about sites where you're going to do surveys. We're not going to be talking about any kind of multi-level marketing or selling Tupperware or candles to your friends. So we are not going to be BSing it here, guys. These are 7 legitimate sites where there are real people making $100 a day or more every single day. Okay, coming in at number 1 is Kindle Direct Publishing. And this is essentially publishing your own ebook and selling it on the largest e-commerce platform out there, which is Amazon. Now, Amazon also owns the largest e-reader company out there, which is Kindle, and you can capitalize on both of these different companies by being a self-publisher on Amazon. So the way that everybody is consuming content these days has drastically changed. People don't go out there and buy books anymore. That's why we're seeing companies like Barnes & Noble struggling. That's why Borders went out of business. But you don't need to have physical copies of books anymore in order to read them. And this is a huge advantage to people who are looking to make money as a ebook publisher, because there's literally no cost associated with making an ebook. Once you put the work into your ebook and you have it all paginated and you write it and you have it edited, there's literally no cost that goes into it. And because it's a digital product, it doesn't cost you any more money to sell 1 versus 1,000. In fact, it doesn't cost you anything to sell multiple copies of it. And the thing I love about this method of making money is that it is 100% passive and it's relatively easy to get started. I mean, Amazon makes it pretty easy here where you can get up and running within 24 or 48 hours once you have that ebook written. Obviously, you're going to have to sit down and put together a high quality, digital guide for someone to purchase it. But once you set this up and get it up and running, this could potentially be a passive income source that earns you up to $100 a day or more just by publishing your own ebook online. Now, obviously, Amazon is going to take a cut of this, but they are offering you a marketplace to sell your ebook, but you can earn up to a 70% royalty for your digital guides that you're selling on the Kindle Direct Publishing platform through Amazon. Number 2, the second site here that could make you up to $100 a day or more is a site called Udemy. And this is a site where you can create your own online course and then sell it to other people. Now, you might be familiar with people who have online courses and they're selling them to their audience. But if you don't already have an audience, you could actually capitalize on the fact that Udemy has a search platform. So Udemy is actually a database of courses where people who are looking to learn a certain skill can go on this website and type anything into the search bar and find related courses. So let's say, for example, I was looking to learn about vegan cooking. I'm gonna type that in and see what video courses come up for us. So as you can see, there's 181 results for vegan cooking here on Udemy. Get started with vegan fine dining. This is 59 lectures over the course of 2.5 hours for $12.99. Vegan nutrition health coach certification, all kinds of different digital products here and courses related to vegan cooking. And this is just one of the many categories that you could potentially talk about here if you were to do your own online course. And the beauty of this is that you don't need to have an audience. You don't have to worry about selling this course yourself. If you produce a high quality course and it's something that people leave positive reviews on, you'll get organic searches here on the Udemy website and people will likely be purchasing your course, and then you're able to earn passive income. Again, because this is a digital product, you make it once and then it continues to earn you money potentially every single day. Now, if you're not interested in creating your own digital product, whether it's an ebook or a course, possibly method number 3 is going to be for you, and that is to capitalize on the subscription box trend that we're seeing now. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a big fan of Dollar Shave Club. Every single month I go down to my mailbox and I get my razors, and I even have ordered toothpaste and toothbrushes and all kinds of different toiletries through them just because it's so damn convenient and I don't have have to go to the store and remember to buy razors, and it also saves me money. So if you can think of an idea for the next big subscription box service, CrateJoy could be what helps you with that. It's a business that helps people launch their own subscription box services, and I'll go ahead and show you guys an example of this right now. So again, we're gonna stick to our trend here of vegan, which I don't know why I even picked that. I'm certainly not a vegan, but let's just type in vegan subscription boxes and see what comes up here of examples of things that are already out there. And as you can see on CrateJoy, there are 56 different results for vegan, and these are all subscription boxes that you can subscribe to, and you, again, as a business owner, could create your own subscription box and then sell it on this website. So we have vegan organic essential oils, vegan labs, which is all kinds of snacks, and the price there per month. You could curate your own subscription box and then sell it on a website like CrateJoy. And what I love about this is it's a recurring revenue model. So once somebody subscribes, as long as they don't unsubscribe, you're going to get that money every single month. Obviously, I use my Dollar Shave Club razors, and they're not an endorsement of this video or anything, but I use them every single month, so I'm not gonna cancel that subscription. And as a result, they've been getting my $5 or $6 a month or whatever it is every single month for the last couple of years. And that is a very predictable business model, and it gives you a way to basically account for how much revenue you're going to be making in the future. So option number 3 is to have your own subscription box service, and CrateJoy could be a site that helps you in that mission. Okay, number 4 is a site that I'm sure we've all heard of before. It's FIVERR.com, and I know what you're gonna be saying to me right now. Why would I wanna do gigs for $5? But despite the fact that it's called Fiverr, there's actually a lot of gigs on here that are significantly more than just $5. Now, you might have to start off at that $5 mark just to build credibility and get some 5-star reviews early on. But once you've proven that you're good and you're able to put out quality work for people, you'll start to be able to increase that price. And I personally probably spend $300 to $500 at least a year on Fiverr just on professional services, whether it's logos or graphic design or paginating my ebooks, things like that. I don't want to do these things myself, and I'll go on Fiverr and I'll find professional contractors who can basically do this for me, and then I pay them right through PayPal. So this can be a great option for you if you have a certain skill and you're looking to get people who need that skill. It's a great marketplace to offer, online services, whether it's graphic design, search engine optimization, voiceovers, video editing, whatever it may be. You can host your gig here on Fiverr. So just for example's sake, let's say you are good at graphic design and you can make logos. Let's go ahead and type in, fitness logos and see what comes up here. So somebody who does logos for gyms and fitness centers. Let's go ahead and see what one is here. So here we have, I will design eye-catching fitness and sports logos. This person has 493 5-star reviews. So at least that many people have purchased this. And the great thing about this is you can have, a basic package, a standard, and then a premium package, which is going to allow you to have these upsells. So while it does start at just $20 for a logo design, they have different features as you pay more money, and they'll pay up to $85 for them to have a logo made through this designer here. So maybe graphic design isn't your thing, but I encourage you to jump over to Fiverr, or also Upwork is another site where you can get freelance gigs on the side and you could easily make $100 per day. Okay, now number 5, the 5th website to make $100 a day is having your own website. And what I'm going to show you right now is my blog, which is called investingsimple.blog. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it up in the description below. It's a personal finance and investing blog, but it actually is a source of income for myself as well. Now, we're not quite making $100 a day from this blog right now, but we are typically looking at anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 per month in terms of the revenue. Now, we also have some expenses associated with it, so we're not quite making money hand over fist yet with this blog, but it is a way to make passive income, potentially $100 a day, by having your own blog. Now, you might be asking me, how the heck am I making money with this site, because you're not seeing any ads on it? But I make money from these articles right here, which are the platform reviews. I do reviews of different investing platforms that I'm affiliated with, and when somebody actually signs up for one of these platforms, I earn a commission in the process. So just to show you what one of these looks like, we'll click on my Webull review, and I'll show you what the process is here. Somebody who goes through this and reads the article and decides, okay, I want to open an account with Webull, they click on one of these links, and then right here, if they sign up and they get that free stock, I will end up getting a commission in the process, and that is exactly how I'm making money with this affiliate blog. And affiliate marketing is something that is not just limited to a blog. I also use affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel as well as on my Instagram page, because you don't just have to be limited to one audience here. You do have to have an audience. You have to have people actively looking for information on something, but if you can help people with a helpful review or something of that nature, you can begin to make money through affiliate marketing. It's not the easiest thing to do in the world, but it does definitely have a lot of income potential. Okay, number 6, the 6th website that could allow you to earn $100 per day is basically any social media platform out there. So this right here is the accompanying Instagram page that goes with my Investing Simple blog. As you can see here, we have 280,000 followers, and you might be wondering again, how do posts like this make me money, where I'm just basically posting, infographics and things that I'm creating? How am I making money with this page? But I'm making money through multiple different avenues. Number 1, like I said already, affiliate marketing. But number 2, a huge piece for this as well is the stories, which I can only show you on mobile. But if you look at the stories on this page, once in a while, we'll have promotions for other influencers and we'll do paid shout outs. And we are often charging anywhere from $100 to $300 for a paid shout out on this story. So imagine that for a second. Somebody sends you a quick photo, you take 30 seconds, you post it on your Instagram story, and then you get PayPal'd $100 to $300 in the process. Now, obviously, a lot of time and energy went into building this page, but once it's built up, you can literally just do paid shout outs and different types of affiliate promotion and have passive income coming in every single week and easily be making $100 a day with a page this size. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with me, I do have this page here with, close to 300,000 followers. I have 400,000 subscribers, or just about that many, on YouTube. And I also have my blog with a decent following. And a lot of people are always asking me, how was I able to build large followings on 3 different platforms? And so what I did to answer that question is I put together a completely free guide. It is a 5-step blueprint on how to build a following online. Now, I'm coming out with an affiliate marketing course shortly, and I was gonna have that be a part of the course, but I decided to make that guide just be completely free because I wanted to offer it up to everyone, because I know just how valuable that is. So if you guys wanna grab a copy of that guide, it's gonna be the top link in the description below, and I will be sending that to you over Facebook Messenger. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on that. It's gonna be extremely helpful if you want to make money through affiliate marketing or through social media by building up a large following on any of these platforms. Okay, number 7, the final website I have here for making $100 a day is called flippa.com. And there's a couple of different ways that you could go about this. Number 1, you could build up a blog or a website or a business from scratch and then sell it on Flippa. Or number 2, let's say you're looking to make $100 a day and you have some money to invest. You can actually buy a blog or a website or an app that's already producing income. So maybe you do want to do affiliate marketing on some kind of blog, but you don't want to spend a year building it up and you have money to invest. Flippa is a marketplace where you can buy and sell online businesses, and I'll show you guys a few examples of what that looks like. So under the businesses category, there's e-commerce sites, there's software as a service, advertising businesses, there's a whole marketplace for it. And then under assets, you can buy Amazon FBA businesses, starter sites, apps, and also website domains. So there's a lot of potential here to make money by buying domain names and selling them, starting blogs and selling them, buying a business, building it up, and then selling it back on the site. There are so many different ways to make money with Flippa. I could literally do an entire video on it. If you want to invest in your own business and not have to start it from the ground up, Flippa could be a great option. And I'll go ahead and show you guys an example of some of these sites that are for sale right now. So let's take this one right here, Shaver Men Pro. It's for sale for $80,000. Obviously quite a bit of money, and this appears to be a Amazon FBA business, and it looks to be a private label, and it tells you right here, when it was founded, owner operated, revenue per month, gross profit per month. And so right here for $80,000, you can buy a business that's profiting, $2,800 or $2,700 per month. Now, I've never purchased a business on Flippa. I can't say I know much of anything about it, but I was doing research on ways to make money with different websites, and this seemed extremely extremely interesting to me. So it's a marketplace where you can buy businesses, sell domains, and all kinds of different online assets. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you drop a like and hit that subscribe button as well, because I post videos like this on a regular weekly basis. And if you do want to get your hands on that completely free 5-step blueprint for building your following online, that is the top link in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.